February 28th, 2011. Flooding in Pennsylvania. This is my street corner. Hear the water rushing? Watch the cars trying to go through. Lots of fun for everyone. This is the road going to the school on the side of my house. Isn't that just wonderful? Hey, where's my fishing pole? Wonderful fun for everyone. And this is my backyard coming up. Crunch, 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 crunch. It's supposed to get colder tonight. So all this shit's gonna freeze, so it's gonna be like an ice skating rink. This is my backyard. Yep. Luckily, it's not up to the back of my house yet. Looks like the neighbors got it, though. I mean, yeah. And here's some cars about to go through the puddle. So I'm going to go over here and try to get a picture of them going through all the water and splashing all over the place. Be kind of interesting. Well, they turned. Those bastards. I wanted to get some good action shots of a car going through. Oh, here comes one. The victim is coming up ahead. And I will get a picture of it going through the water. Just for your amusement. Oh, I don't have to shovel the sidewalks anymore. Ah, he didn't go through the deepest part of it. Huh. Anyway, this is the flood. So, yeah. Lots of fun. And here comes one more vehicle, and then I'll call it quits. This has been watching the floodwaters. Let's think. I hope you have a really good day. Goodbye.